Hello everyone. In this tutorial on PMN Online, we will learn how to upgrade your Grok account to SuperGrok. Upgrading your Grok account to SuperGrok is a great way to enhance your user experience and unlock a plethora of exciting features. Whether you're looking to access advanced functionalities or simply want to get more out of your platform, moving up to SuperGrok could be exactly what you need. Follow along as we guide you through each step of the process, ensuring you have a smooth and successful upgrade. Let's begin by navigating to Google. Open the web browser you usually use, whether that's Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other, and head over to the Google homepage. This is your starting point for finding the Grok platform. In the Google search bar, type in Grok. Grok is the platform where your account currently resides, and by searching for it, we can easily locate the official website. Once you've entered Grok into the search bar, hit the Enter key to generate the search results. Now, as you browse through these results, look for the official Grok website link. It should be prominently listed among the top options, making it relatively straightforward to identify. Clicking on this link will take you directly to Grok's homepage, where our upgrade journey will truly begin. Now that you're on the Grok homepage, pay close attention to the bottom right corner of the page. This is where you'll find the crucial Upgrade button. It's a small button that could be easy to miss, so make sure to scan the corners of the page thoroughly. Clicking this button is your gateway to unlocking the enhanced functionalities available with a SuperGrok account. Upon clicking the Upgrade button, you'll be presented with a variety of subscription options. This is where you need to select a plan that aligns with both your needs and your budget. Since we're aiming to upgrade to SuperGrok, you'll want to choose the plan specifically labeled as SuperGrok. This choice is important as it determines the new features and capabilities you will gain access to. After selecting the SuperGrok plan, you will be prompted to choose your preferred payment method. It's worth highlighting that if you pay with certain banks, you might qualify for a $5 cashback. This is a nice added benefit that can make your upgrade even more rewarding. Once you've chosen your payment method, proceed to input your payment details carefully. Finally, to complete your upgrade to SuperGrok, find the Subscribe button and give it a click. This final step will confirm your selection and process your payment. After this, you should receive a confirmation notification or email that outlines your new SuperGrok benefits and features. Congratulations, you've now successfully upgraded to a SuperGrok account. Enjoy the expanded features and capabilities that are now at your fingertips. Thank you for following along with this guide. Hopefully, you now have a better understanding of how to upgrade your Grok account to SuperGrok. For more step-by-step tutorials and guides, subscribe PMN Online so you never miss an update.